I plan to relax on vacation. I plan to surprise my parents. I was about to go to dinner. I am good at swimming. I am going to home next week. What he said was meaningless. I want you to water the flowers. It looks like a balloon. I promise I will tell you. I am good at sports. I am in the. That's why people admire you. I am trying to explain myself. I am working on my website. I have decided to accept the job. I am trying to understand. I am at the airport. Do the carpets feel thick? I promise I am telling the truth. I can't help eating so much. It looks like they are leaving. I am trying to educate myself. I am trying to get a job. I am in the park. Does not the blanket feel wet? It looks like it's going to rain.